This is Shur on Tefilla. We got to kill Melech, and now we're going to be talking about Zechor toward the end. Zechor Lanu Hayom Bereshit Esrei Kimo Shadam Rabbeinu. We ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, please, Zechor Lanu, please remember for us Hayom today. It's very crucial today. Bereshit Esrei, the covenant of 13 Mitot of Rahamim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, whenever that you say them and act like them, you wouldn't go back empty-handed. Just like you made it known to the humble one, to the humble from before. Now, who is the humble? What does it mean? This spirit was given to Moshe Rabbeinu. Now, here should have said Moshe Rabbeinu. But it doesn't say that you made it known to Moshe Rabbeinu. Say made it known to Anav. Why does it say Anav here? Why does it bring out the point of Anav? Well, it's very obvious that he's saying that the Zechut and the merit that Moshe Rabbeinu was zoche to bring out this 13 mitot of Rahamim is because he was humble. The fact that he was humble and he had this attitude of being nullified in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and show and act like a very humble person, he was zoche to have this. Now, good. Why do we mention it here? We mentioned it here, if you want to be zoche to 13 mitot of Rahamim, person has to be humble. A lot of times, why people are not humble? What's it? Because Gaiva has something into it. It's attraction, has a prestige, has a kavod. And the nefesh of a person, the animalistic soul of a person looks for these things. He wants that. He wants the kavod. He wants somebody says something, oh, forgive, go. No, he humiliated. He disgraced him. Then the person feels that he wants that prestige, that cover. Now, this Tefilla over here is saying that whenever that you are humble, you make a merit of 13 mitot for yourself. And whenever that you lose to be humble, you lose it. Therefore, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. What do you want? A little bit kavod, a little bit honor, a little bit, what is it? What's worth it? Here, you have 13 mitot of Rahamim HaKadosh Baruch Hu to help you. Rachum, Hanun, Erech, Parim. Who could be on earth and to say, me and my family, every second, every minute, they don't need this mitot of Rahamim. There's a turbulent life. Every minute, every second. We need Rahamim of Hashem. We need Rachum of Hashem. We need Chanun of Hashem. We need Mocher. You should forgive us. And Chas v'Shalom. One thing goes wrong, you know yourself what happens in life. Therefore, any minute, any second in life, we need this 13 mitot of Rahamim to protect us, to give us life, to give us to be happy, prosperity, whatever that we need. Otherwise, if the judgment comes, dinim comes, we can't survive. Now, humble, whenever that we are now, there's no success. If we want merit and zechut, we should be humble. Therefore, this is the best remedy. A lot of times, a person wants the kavod, wants the honor, wants the, he feels humiliated, but just the opposite. Person has to think, if I feel I make myself humble and I act like a humble and I think like a humble person, that you're not makbid, there's no akbada. Everything is good in the world of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The most important kavod and honor belongs to Hashem. Hashem Melech, Geut Lavish. The Geut, the arrogancy, the Geut, the greatness, the majesty is the dress of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And we don't want to wear the dress of Hashem. That's the last thing that we want to do. Anybody is arrogant is wearing the dress of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's why Hashem says, I could tolerate everybody, but somebody else arrogant, I cannot tolerate him. We cannot be under one ceiling because he's wearing my dress. And we cannot fit in one dress. Person does Avodah Zarah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu could tolerate him. Okay, good, do Avodah Zarah. But somebody is arrogant. He wears the dress of Hashem. Hashem says we don't fit in one dress. We cannot be together. Therefore, here, whenever there is occasion, there is any sorrow for us, and we become humble, We have to understand we get the zechut and the merit of 13 midot of Rachamim for ourselves, for our family, and for the community in large.